Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see what is network automation, its benefits, and the best practices to achieve network automation. Network automation means using software, program tools, scripts, and technology to automate configuration, provisioning, management, testing, maintenance, and operation of a network and its devices, both physical and virtual. So this is what the network automation means, and automating such tasks help the enterprises save the time, reduces errors, for lowering the operating expenses and to improve the network efficiency. So this network automation helps these factors for the enterprises. Then now we can see what are all the benefits of network automation. First, we can achieve improved operational efficiency, that is automating network tasks, get them done in less than half the time it takes to do the same task manually, significantly improving the efficiency also. So because of making automated networks, that is by using the software program tools, we can achieve improved operational efficiency, and also we can reduce probability of errors, that is since the human factor is removed from the complex network process, the errors due to negligence and oversight goes down. So this also can be achieved, and lower operational expenses can be achieved through the network automation. This reduction in time, errors, and improved efficiency make the network fast and agile. And so automation also cuts down the resources that needs cost saving. So these are all the benefits of network automation. And now we can see the best practices for network automation. There are a number of best practices that helps you to automate your network. First, you should analyze your network. Then the second best practice is to identify the key pain points, that is the areas that you want to automate. That is started by making a list of time consuming areas or repetitive processes in your network. So these are the ones that you should automate the right way. So these should identify as the second thing. And then the third best practice is that to have a defined automation tool strategy, that is choosing a automation platform that's best aligned with your business process, existing IT technology, and needs. So this is have to be done, that is you have to have a defined automation tool strategy. And the fourth best practice is that consult with all the teams before making a decision. That is not involving the teams in the tool acquisition discussions can result in serious gaps in the overall operation. So you should consult with all your teams before making a decision for the tool, that is automation tool acquisition. The fifth best practice is that train your workforce adequately for the transition. That is before getting that is before making a transmission to the automated network. You should train your workforce for that, and the platform needs some getting used to. That is before it can be deployed effectively, and even the most powerful tool can yield wrong results when not, that is will not give the satisfactory results when not used properly. The sixth best practice is that you should conduct regular audits to enforce security and policy compliance. So this has to be done as the one of the best practice to achieve the automation in networks. And, And the last one is to explore, experiment, and expand. That is, don't just stop with automating one or two processes. Once you have got the desired results with the platform in the initial phases of automation, gradually you should step up its scope and let it take over the entire network and all of its processes. So this is what the best practice is, that it should explore, experiment, and it should expand so that it covers all the processes in your enterprise. So these are the best practices to achieve network automation in your enterprise networks. So subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.